Alright, cool. What is going on, people? It's Mine's Aaron for this video. Death Battle, Black Canary versus Sindel. I don't know enough about either character to judge who would win in a fight, so I think we're gonna find out.
I'll just about it. It's one of them's a Mortal Kombat character, one of them's a DC superhero.
Yeah.
Um,
DC's kind of insane, so.
yeah. Mortal Kombat versus Universe was a sick ass game. If you ask me, fuck.
I mean, I don't think Black Canary's actual physical capabilities are too far above superhuman.
Um,
Or like really athletic at least.
well, put it like this: she can almost keep up with Batman.
Plus superpowers on top of that, damn.
Sure, she's not like
As good as Batman.
yeah, like let's be honest, the only human in the DC universe that can actually keep up with people like Wonder Woman, Superman, all those like Flash, all those kind of people is Batman. I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate. Well, what about Green Arrow and blah blah, bitch? They would get mollywopped. Versus Batman literally can fuck up everyone, uh, and he has no powers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's just that
Yeah,
badass.
Sindel is pretty dope. God, I'm a huge Mortal Kombat fan too, and I don't really know much about Sindel.
Or
Black
the
Canary,
scaling.
Black Canary is basically the wife of Green Arrow,
Yeah.
depending on
The
which
source.
continuity.
Yeah.
Um, I think that's actually the case in almost all continuities.
Yeah, I thought they hook up a lot. Or in a lot of the things. Alright, so ready?
Yup.
3, 2, 1, start. RTX! RTX! I randomly started watching season 1 of Red vs. Blue again. And man, it brought me back. Aren't they on like season 17 or something right now? Like I didn't even know that they started another one. That's insane. Shrek. Yeah.
Behold, the Justice Society of America, the first recorded team of superheroes in the DC universe. Where else could you find a boxer in a catsuit, chilling with the spirit of God's divine wrath? Stood a woman, the judo-chopping Black Canary. Wait, why a canary? Canaries don't know judo. Or do they? However, Black Canary will be focusing on today. See, the Black Canary of the Golden Age may have been a skilled crime fighter in her own right, but the one who made the moniker a household name was her daughter, Dinah Laurel Lance. Dinah wanted to be a crime fighter just like her mom, so she trained with Wildcat, the furry boxer I mentioned earlier. Her mother wasn't very happy about that, though. Young Dinah's career could have ended then and there, if not for the discovery of what she likes to call her canary cry.
And now.
These weren't ordinary, but well explained. See, Dinah possessed the meta gene, a dormant slice of genetic code present in about 12% of humanity, granting superhuman abilities. Yeah, Wizard did it. Wizard used martial arts training. Dinah took up her mother's
just,
mantle
just like that. Here's why.
canary. The second one. Is it weird that her mom was also named Dinah? They're really forming a dynasty. Fun fact, originally she disguised herself by donning a blonde wig, but eventually just dyed it her name.
Huh.
Don't you mean yellow?
Oh god.
That was perfect.
I didn't know that. I thought she was just a natural blonde.
Ramp up the volume and blow people away with shockwave.
Hmm.
She can focus her cries into small sonic projectiles.
I guess this is gonna come down to like who has the better scream.
Screaming hard enough at the ground, she can freaking fly. How the
Basically.
hell does that shit work? Let's dig into
Like
this
I don't
a
know
bit.
if Sindel does more than blowing people's heads up.
An intensity of at least 194 decibels. For reference, Black Canary's highest recorded scream clocks in at over 300 decibels.
Ugh.
That's the same level of bold as a volcano erupting. All that power comes with a fairly obvious weakness, though. If her throat is damaged, she'll be unable to produce the cry. That's why she's got some nifty ultrasonic canary bombs that do the super shouting for her. Not to say she's useless without her superpower, of course. She's one of comics' greatest ass kickers. Thanks to Wildcat and her mother, Dinah has trained in jiu-jitsu, karate, Krav Maga, capoeira, and many, many more
Capoeira.
martial arts. She knows holds that can put you to sleep, a punch that can detonate your heart, and even how to cause
Wait,
instant
what?
death by pushing a single nerve cluster. She's basically the furious
Ah!
love child of Kenshiro and the bride from Kill Bill.
That's exactly what I was thinking. The Kill Bill.
All this kung fu talk makes me want to see a judo canary in action. And what better opponent than our very own Mega Goose Howard?
What the heck?
Judo?
Ah!
Turns out they don't know judo. Where was the heads up on that one, Wiz?
What the fuck?
Dinah's greatest
Ah, that poor canary.
fight. It's what makes her such a great sparring partner to superhuman martial arts
Whoa.
like Wonder Woman. It was during a fight with her, in fact, that Black Canary claimed she could perceive time down to the nanosecond. Sounds crazy, right? But
Huh?
believe it. How else could she keep up with someone like Wonder Woman? Or how about the time she battled these red tornado androids? Green Lantern was using his power ring to scan for weaknesses, but Dinah said, F that and stabbed it hundreds of times super fast. She found its literal Achilles heel before the power ring finished scanning. That's right.
Are you serious? Well, when you stab it everywhere, you're gonna find it.
Possess superhuman speed or strength. But I wouldn't be surprised if she secretly drank some super soldier serum at some point, because she can outmuscle superhumans and smash steel like it's flimsy wood.
Huh.
Yield strength of steel in the
Okay, yep, she's really tough.
around 27 tons. The gal survived a fall into the ocean from 1,000 feet, and even her own canary cry reflected back at her. It helps that she has a special
Man,
memory
I apparently did not know enough about her.
Say the same for this robot, dude. Amazo for a murder happy android.
Like I said,
The entire
she's able to keep up with like Batman, dude.
She may be stubborn and hot-headed, but with her powers and training fine-tuned, Dinah proved her mom wasn't the only Black Canary to be reckoned with. She even teamed up with groups such as the infamous Birds of Prey, and at one point took charge of the Justice League, the spiritual successor
Oh yeah, that
of
movie.
Justice.
It just reminded me, like,
Their main man,
hey.
Arrow. They spent a lot of time sticking arrows in that quiver. They did sex.
Wow. Whew.
The realm of Edenia was a paradise, a Garden of Eden, if you will.
Alright, let's go.
Like it was supposed to be clever. Under the rule of King Jared and Queen Sindel, the realm prospered for millennia, until the arrival of Outworld conqueror Shao Kahn and the tournament.
Shao Kahn.
Mortal Kombat! By decree of the Elder Gods, an invading force from another realm must defeat the defending world 10 consecutive times in a tournament to the death. Unfortunately for Edenia, Khan dabbed on their asses and wanted Edenia for himself. To legitimize his rule, Khan murdered Jared, married Sindel, and adopted her daughter Katana as his own. Excessive? Probably.
Yeah.
Say Cindy wasn't too happy about all that, but it turns out she was a kung fu sorcerer. So, to avenge her kingdom, she underwent a mystic ritual where she offed herself to protect Khan's next target, Earthrealm. And it worked. For a time. After 10,000 years of hopelessly failing to take the Earth, Khan learned how to undo her protective ward. Sindel was resurrected, brainwashed, and transformed into a fierce queen of dark magic and terror.
E.
Back and ready to slay. And holy shit, did she! Sindel's Edenian physiology gives her superhuman strength, speed, and durability,
Ugh.
allowing her to make mincemeat of Mortal Kombat's regular combatants. You better have said that with a K. And dead for the past 10,000 years, she's somehow a master of two forms of Chinese kung fu. Jiaquan originates from northern China and is known for its eloquent, graceful, extended movements. Fu Xiaohai, also known as the Tiger
They probably wrote this after they gave her fighting styles.
Sindel also wields a Kwando. It's a glaive designed for long-range
Ugh.
deflection, carving people up like a Thanksgiving turkey.
Huh.
She hardly needs a weapon when she already has one. Her hair. She can command it to stretch like a tentacle, constrict opponents, and act essentially as an extra prehensile limb.
That's another thing you gotta think about. Like, Sindel, does Sindel have more, like, killing options?
Spin you like a top fast enough to obliterate your body?
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, that's kind of the point of Mortal Kombat.
Yeah. But I'm actually thinking right here. Mortal Kombat's all about killing.
This ultrasonic shout is powerful enough to detonate heads, split limbs, and rend flesh. Her screaming power can even be focused into misty.
But is that more than stopping a train?
Oh, like that transformer that we had that pony eat his soul. Sindel once screamed with enough force to annihilate a large part of a canyon. This resembles the effects of a magnitude 5.0 earthquake.
Oh shit. Never mind.
Exploding all at once.
Never fucking mind.
She was able to strut through Earthrealm's mightiest heroes, which include
I think Sindel's gonna win just with that.
what I gifted as a souvenir. Who, along with most of the series combatants, can shatter a block of pure diamond with his bare hand. A feat like this would require a pressure of at least 60 gigapascals. That's over 4,300 tons of force per square inch. And Cabal, who is fast enough to swat machine gun fire out of the air.
Huh.
Flies in Boomstick's bathroom. Accurate. Judging by the light velocity and rate of fire, Cabal
Whoa.
is reacting within 600ths of a second in order to consistently parry these bullets. And he blocked a bunch of them back to back to back. Too bad Sindel wound up getting blown up and brainwashed all over again. Man, this chick can't catch a break. Though the zombie milk thing's kind of working for her. Only one possible timeline. In the original story, she was actually freed from Shao Kahn and regained control of Edenia. In another, it seems the killing of her royal husband was actually her plan all along. Either way, we're talking about Mortal Kombat. They all die eventually. Compared to the Queen, everyone else might as well have been silent.
Huh. Oh no, I'm about to get an ad. No! Start.
All right, the combatants are set, and we've run the data through all possibilities. But first,
I think Sindel's about to win. Like, I don't think any of Canary's feats, like, match that at all.
hey guys, there's a contest out there to help you look your best every day.
Although, wait, they didn't talk about
66% of
physical capability.
35. I've done research on this myself, and well, it's true.
They didn't talk about Sindel's physical capabilities. Well, like, or at least like her range,
Yeah.
like how much, like, but her scream is definitely more powerful. If they're gonna go with like the 500-ton thing,
Yeah.
or like the earthquake or whatever it was.
Connect to a real doctor online. And should you be prescribed, it's shipped right to your front door. Dive into 2020 hair first. Right now, get started with your first month free. Go to Oriens.com/deathbattle. Prescription requires an online consultation with a physician who will determine if a prescription is appropriate. Offer valid only if prescribed. 3-month minimum subscription. Additional restrictions apply.
I'm gonna say it's more of an even 50-50 split between the two.
I will have to see.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna put my money a little bit more on Black Canary though.
Mine's just gonna be on Sindel for now.
Yeah.
And if, I mean, I would like Black Canary to win because I like her more. God damn! Look at the hair.
I was just about to say.
When the face and the body are different resolutions, it looked different before, at a moment. Oof. Ugh! Oh shit! Ah! I was about to say. Yeah, okay. So wait, what? Really?
So is ring out a thing here?
Is it actually more powerful? Wait, hold on. I'm gonna have a... Man, my math must be off. Just ring out a thing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Boof. Scream at the ground. There you go. What the fuck? Oof. What the fuck? Holy shit. Okay, I'm gonna have to see this now. What the? That's also a short fight, but goddamn.
For the most part, Sindel's physical strength, projectiles, and aerial maneuverability let her keep up with the bird of prey. Yeah, she was 160 times stronger, but Canary's made a living off fighting superhumans who are even stronger than that.
Oh yeah, they did compare to them. Forgot about that.
That wasn't that big of an advantage, really.
Oh, okay, so they're talking about feats.
Second reaction. Dinah's reaction speed was easily...
I mean, that makes sense. You know, Batman beats the shit out of people that are billions of times stronger than him, so
Yeah.
Sindel had some awesome moves, but sadly, stepping on
that makes sense.
Dominatrix doesn't quite stack up with
It's like a guts situation.
way more fighting styles. Plus,
When they had Guts versus Nightmare.
the Denny was super peaceful before Shao Kahn came along, so I doubt Sindel was taking names and kicking ass all before that. But let's move on to the comparison everyone wants to know. Which was deadlier, the Banshee Scream or the Canary Cry? We know Dinah's cry can reach 300 decibels. In comparison, the results of Sindel's most powerful scream are similar to a 5.0 earthquake, which is equivalent to only 235 decibels.
Wait, fucking what?
That's a difference of only 65 decibels. That can't be all that different. Wrong! It's totally different because decibels are freaking weird. See, decibels are not like meters or minutes, which scale geometrically. Instead, decibels scale logarithmically. For every 10 decibels a sound is, its intensity increases tenfold. So 30 decibels is 10 times greater.
God damn! It only takes that much to create an earthquake, and fucking Canary's at 300. Oh, and to be fair, I know jack shit about sound, so...
Times stronger than the Banshee Scream, nearly 500 megatons of TNT. Awesome. The closest comparison we can make
Damn.
is the Krakatoa eruption of
Alright.
3, a volcano blast so powerful it could be heard over 3,000 miles away. Not so different from what Dinah has been shown to be capable of. It also didn't hurt that Canary had those special membranes in her ears to guard against Sindel's scream. In the end,
Well,
Canary had the speed...
yeah, you'd think that they would be able to handle their own voices.
Sindel's time to die. What, no pun about screams? Well, I was gonna, but I thought a pun that obvious wouldn't be allowed. The winner, Black Canary.
Alright, let's find out who's next. Alright, that was a good one. I'm happy Canary won, actually.
Haha, my bet was right.
Yeah. I'm glad I bet nothing. Alright. Oh! Leonardo and... Oh!
Bro! I'm fucking hyped for that! I love both of those
Huh.
things!
Wait, did they ever have... Like, they've had Power Rangers fight before, but it's always been the mechs. Not like the actual
Yeah.
Power Rangers themselves.
Yeah.
Huh. Alright, let's see.
I'm so hyped for that.
Let's see. I think Power Rangers are like... Well, I don't know. I don't watch Power Rangers anymore, but I thought they were like super strong or some shit.
They... kind of. Sort of. Kind of, sort of.
Kinda, sorta. Alright.
It's more, like, okay, so this is actually really funny because there's been times where Batman has fought the TMNT, and then there's been times where Batman has fought the Power Rangers.
Oh yeah. Wait. I didn't know he fought the Power Rangers. I knew he fought TMNT, but I didn't know about the Power Rangers.
There's There's Justice League versus Power Rangers comics out there.
What the hell? I didn't know that.
And if I remember correctly, which I'm probably remembering wrong, the Power Rangers actually beat Batman.
Like all the Power Rangers, or just a Power Ranger beats Batman?
I think it was like they were all there, but I think it was primarily a one-on-one. I don't know. It's been like
Huh.
years since
Yeah.
I've even seen it.
I'll have to see about that. The first I read a comment, it says like both of them would have lost against Black Bolt. Which, yeah.
Yes,
Alright. So that's a cool death battle to look forward to.
that was super dope. Shit.
I don't know what more I need to say. Like, that was just a cool fight. Alright, I think I can end the recording there. I got shit to do.
My bet was 55-45.
55-45.
I'm gonna put slightly more on Black Canary than fucking Sindel, and I'm glad I did.
Yeah. Like,
Uh,
they always do that. They always do, like, different kinds of measurements. And I'm like, alright, I don't know math very well, apparently. I thought I was good at math, but apparently I'm not. Alright, so,
I don't know math at all.
hope you all enjoyed. Leave like you did. See us in the next video. Peace out.
Yeah.